Get grammar. Are you ready?
Max, we're late for the wedding. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. What's wrong? Is this shirt okay?
No, it isn't.
Are my trousers okay?
No, they aren't.
But these are my only good clothes.
Wait.
My t-shirt and jeans? Are they okay for the wedding?
Yes, they are. Now hurry up.
Okay, I'm ready now.
No, you aren't. Now you're ready.
Look and learn. This shirt is okay. Is this shirt okay? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. These trousers are okay. Are these trousers okay? Yes, they are. No, they aren't.
Bye.